Hi, Steve Padgett with Garrison Grip, and I wanted to go over a product that we just in the process of getting a patent for. We just submitted the non-provisional patent pending for it, and it is a great product. It is for removing and installing the base plates and grip extensions for Glock. Now, I had a booth at the Tucson gun show, which is held well, every quarter or so in Tucson, and it's a good turnout. And we had a lot of people that were armorers for Glock, and these guys just went nuts over this product. Out of anybody that came to my table, and we sold out basically, it was the armorers, because they can tell the benefit of a product like that. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to attach a video to this presentation so that you can see what I'm talking about, and maybe you know somebody who would be interested in picking this up. So I am going to send this to you shortly. I just have to get the two videos put together, this one and the one where it actually demonstrates the product. Thanks for listening.